'Cause baby like ooh. I've been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. And now I realize. Hi guys, nakauwi na ako and ayun, nakabili ako ng egg pie na gusto ko. Medyo medyo pricey nga lang siya ng very light. 25 each siya. And isa lang dapat bibilin ko. Kaso lang, walang barya daw si ate. So, ako, as magkikrave talaga ako sa kanya ngayon. So, dinalaw ko na siya. Pero nung una, dalawang isip pa ako una noon bago ko sabihin na isa lang. Tapos sinabi ni ate walang barya. So, parang ibig sabihin, it's a sign na dalawa na yung bilhin ko. Diba? And, bumili din ako sa Dali kasi wala na akong facial tissue pag nag-skincare. Ito kasi yung ginagamit ko. And, paubos na din dun sa Dali. Mag-stock na sila. And, pambaon ko kasi wala na akong pambaon. So, yun. Kakainin natin. And, inom na lang ako dito sa tubig kung yan na hindi ko naman na-inom. Dahil, grabe yung quiz namin ngayon, guys. Nag-quiz kami, tapos nag-activity. Yung ginawa namin. So, ayan. Back to mukbang. Mag-mukbang tayo. Mini mukbang lang. Sorry, guys. Ganito yung voice ko kasi I have ubo and sipon. In English, cough and... Ang English ng sipon. Tama na. And ito yung itsura ng egg pie. Minake sure ko pa na egg pie talaga to, no? Kasi may ibang... Parang, ay, pucha. Parang ganito yung itsura, pero hindi egg pie, no? First bite. Thank Lord. Ha? Guys, flex ko yung nails ko. Made by my 2 best friends. Shout out sa inyo. Yung nagkulay, si Ali. Nagkabit, si Ikay. So, sila ang dahilan ko bakit may ganito akong nails. Ang sarap niya, guys, kasi crunchy siya sa ganito, oh. Sa outer part, sa loob, masarap siya. Tapos, ang sarap na ito, loob. Talaga, kahit mahal siya, medyo for me, 25 pesos, pricey na siya kasi as a student. Tigas siya, guys, tama. Tigas na kasi ito eh. So, guys, ay dumating na yung ano, guys. First, Chuchu TV. Chuchu Beauty na product. First, Chuchu Beauty ko to, guys. Tapos sana ito dumating. Kaso lang, wala ako dito. Chuchu. Hey, Chu. Thank you for supporting Chuchu Beauty. Please make a video of your unboxing to help us assist you in case there are any issues. No video, no refund. Ito daw, oh. Chuchu Beauty. Di Chuchu TV. Wow! Ang binili ko ay multi-use heart paint ng Chuchu. At ang binili kong shade is Pink Lemonade. Tastes like lemonade, you are the hurricane, actually the race. Tadaan! Kasi wala na akong liquid blush. Ganda niya, matte yung finish niya. Wow! Yan natin. Ganito siya. Lang. Parang ano eh. Sobrang pigmented niya. No? Isa lang yung nilagay ko. Yan. Hindi masyado kita. Ganyan siya. Dito siya. Kumalat. Ito
tayo tapos bumaba ulit. Tapos ito naman sa kanya, basta ibang tayo. Tada! Luwag! Grabe! Abot na agad dito! Ay na yan.
Patingin. Yun ang nangyayari sa kanila. Patingin ko sa'yo. Hindi na siya. Okay ka. Nakatapos na siya. Ulit lang siya. Ganda na ito ah. Ganun pa. May nakagawa siya.
Saka,
break ko. Ito nakagawa siya. Wow, ganda. Ganda ilang ko. Ganda din. Nagawa yung pag-group. Hindi balik na din sa guys, pwede na kami magkabenta.
Gusto mo maying?
tatlo gulang to guys. Ano ulam mo?
Maying!
Sige, pinagkaitin kita na hotdog. Ito ulam yan. Ano ulam mo? Itlog. Ha?
Is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to feel
Patingin, paano yun?
void inside. Something about you makes me wanna be with you for
Ayoko,
long.
ako na.
Very fast shipping sila doon. We got this. We got pencil pen, glue, ball pen. That's my favorite type of ball. Glue again. Malalaman nyo kung bakit ako madaming glue. Pentel pen. Kailangan ko yan dahil sa report na tawag dito. Correction tape and suyod. Isuyod kami. And color pencils. And another glue. And the last one. This is what I've been waiting for. Look. Tada! Notebook. See guys, umpisan ko na yung journal ko. March na. Pero umpisan ko pa rin siya kahit March na. Hindi journal. Mag-junk journaling ako. Though, hindi naman lahat ng junk. Like, yung mga movie ticket, mga receipt. Tayo nilalagay ko dito. Sa ito. Hindi ko kasi siya maumpisan kasi wala ako notebook. Ngayon, maumpisan ko. At ito, ang dilim. Tapos pag may ganito, ang liwanag. Tignan mo. Ang liwanag, diba? Pag inalis ko ang dilim. Wala maring light to. Dahil dito. Diba? So, yun lang naman ang kinuha ko. Tingnan natin. Bumili din ako nito pang dagdag sa touch up. Touch dun sa ano. Maganda. Tawan ko kung maganda. Tumura lang kasi ito eh. Pili ko mabilis lang to kasi dalawa siya o dual. Mabilis lang to maubos. Maganda siya. Gusto nyo na ito? Gusto nyo bumili na ito specific type? I will link down below in the description box. Itong mga pens and Itong ballpen. Maganda yung ano na ito guys, yung tinta niya. And nakaubos na ako ng ganyan. Tapos kung gusto niyo din na suyod, nasa isang store lang itong mga to. Pati itong color pencils and glue. Kaya siya may glue. Kaya madami akong biniling glue para sa journal na ididikit ko. Bali 3 different type. Meron akong water glue or clear glue. Meron akong glue stick. And meron ako ng typical na multi-purpose glue. So, dalawa na siyang binili ko. So, ayun lang naman. Total of 250 lang naman siya. So, ayun na, guys. Bye-bye! So, hi guys. So, kakauwi ko lang and parang yung vlog na to is opening parcels lang ng in-order ko nung 3-3. So, ito is ito ata yung ano ba to? Ito yung ano, alam ko na. Yung panglinis, pang brush, ay panglinis ng mga brush. Ito panglinis ng brush, makeup brush. Tapos ito yung suksukan para if ever na, ay kung iyan naman na siya sasabit. Tapos, yung main purpose kung ba't ko ito binili. Gusto ko lang. Kasi, pagiging clean girl, hindi kasi yung hairstyle ng pagiging clean girl. Nakakatulong tong hairstyle na ito. Like ito, itong bristles niya. Medyo matigas siya. Nakakaganto kasi siya guys. Pag ginanto mo siya. Ay, ganyan. Yan. Tapos ito naman. Ano to? Para to sa spray. Like, pag kailangan mo magano. So, ito namang isa sa mama ko yan. Mga face mask lang yan. So, huwag na natin yan i-open. And bumili din ako ng donuts kanina. Happy House Donut. And nakagatan ko na yung isa. And yun lang. Ano ko lang. And Saturday ngayon. So, may class kami. And kakauwi ko lang. So, ayun. Bye. So, see you in the next clip. Chung!
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you. What's the point in dreaming? that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. And all my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting mine. But if you talk to me again, it'd be worth it. All my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. And all my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting mine. But if you talk to me again, it'd be worth it. All my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a long time for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now.
What? 9. Wow. 9.
10?
Oh, 10 daw. 9 at 10.
Cause baby love